Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Dipen from Pune and I hope you visited the part 1 of this Mojo ka review where I've explained how is the bike, uska feedback kya hai overall. If not, video ke description mein link rahega, do check it out for the feedback about the bike. Now in this part 2 we are going to speak about what all mods Chandrakant sir has done on this bike to comfort himself, to tour himself easily or comfortably on this bike. So not wasting much time, let's begin with the things. So beginning with the first thing that is visible straight on the front side of the bike is this Mad Dog fog lamps. What I'll do is, मैं कुलकर्णी sir से, if possible, I'll try to collect all the links of all the accessories and I'll try to put them in the video का description along with the prices if possible. अगर नहीं है तो I'll just list down the accessories at least once. So what I see here is a proper fog lamp mount over here which accommodates the number plate also now, and acha mount hai along with this Mad Dog fog lamps. So this is the first mod these will count. Coming to the handlebar, he's added almost, I think these are 1-inch handlebar raisers and they look really strong and wide and they suit the overall construction, I mean the thickness wise and all. So handlebar risers is the second thing. Third, he's added this Grand Pit Stop ka mobile holder. It also comes with a charger. खुद का charger आता है उसमें. There's a switch over here. I'm not going to use it and show it to you right now. Then he's also added one more charger. ये Go का charger है and I think this is the 3.0 version. Yes, this is the 3.0 version Qualcomm वाला quick charge वाला version है Go On का. So ये हो गए 4 चीज़ें. Then he's got the Autolock design का tank grips. I think these are 5 parts. I don't think, I mean I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are tank grips and tank pad ka set hai. Okay, that's number 5. At number 6, I think this is surely a custom crash guard that is installed, and this looks quite strong from both the sides, protecting the bike very nicely. So this crash guard Mahindra itself provides, but it is an accessory that you can purchase from them and install it. Now अब चलते हैं अगले mod पे. What I can see at the back are these 3 things which are very necessary for comfortable touring, if you, especially when you are with touring. तो ये first item है ये backrest, and this looks quite strong. It doesn't seem to be bending behind on the bend नहीं हो रहा है, ऐसे दिख रहा है मुझे अभी on the rear panel. पीछे side पे bend नहीं हो रहा है. So this is one real good thing which I see. My wife usually doesn't travel with me if there is no backrest, so this is a very good thing. Then you have the big top rack and you also have the saddle stay. So Luvia का कैसा रहता है? Luvia kinds of gives, you know, modular stuff where you can bolt on everything and install. So everything, all these points are bolt on. So you get one arm, you get the second arm, you get the top part plate, you get the side, you know, connectors and all. So this is how it installs. If I get a chance in future, if someone wants to install Luvia in Pune, maybe you can get the bike to my place and we can do the installation video, as well as I can help you with the installation. So this way I can have a video of installation on my channel. That is the way, in fact, I've had so many Dominar videos on my channel. I've called people at my place, you know, I've done the installations, तो दोनों का काम हो जाता है, उनका installation भी हो जाता है और मेरे पास एक video भी बन जाता है. And next we have is this saddle stays. This is all again from Luvia. All these 3 things are from Luvia, and I mean overall it does enhance the look of the bike also, apart from giving the proper support that it has to. So these saddle stays of course give you support for saddle bags, and I don't see any protruding part outside, so this won't affect your saddlebags, this won't tear your saddlebags down. And the design also looks quite neat. If you look at it, this is not, you know, out shaped or something. It looks really neat. It goes with the bike also. Coming to the 10th point, I can't show you it completely, but this is the Shad top box ka top plate which is installed. I don't have a top box ka picture right now with me, but I'll try to add it at the end of the video. I'll ask for some pictures from Kulkarni sir and add it to the end of the video. So that was the 10th mod. Now what everyone has been waiting for is trying to understand what is it done to the exhaust. So by default the 2020 BS4 version comes with only single exhaust. Yes, this is a FI model, this is not a carburetor model. तो ये BS4 version है and इन्होंने custom exhaust डाला है, I mean modify करके डाला है. The bike originally comes with one exhaust but they have added a T out somewhere and probably changed the bend pipe. जो बहुत पुरानी फर्स्ट मोजो इनिशियल वर्जन आती थी उसका बेंड पाइप शायद यूज़ किया है एंड देन ही आल्सो एडेड द सेकंड एग्जॉस्ट एंड देन यू आल्सो नीड टू मॉडिफाई द स्टैंड एंड बिट. नाउ इस पार्ट का रिव्यू सावियो भाई साहब जो है हमारे पुणे के, ही हैज़ अ वीलॉग, he does blogging and he's written a blog about this changes also. So what I'll do is for you to understand what all parts are required or what all changes are required, I'll leave a link to his blog in the video card description and you can surely visit him to understand what all changes are there. I understand someone in Karnataka has done that mod first and from there everyone else started doing this mod. So probably in Savio's blog you will find the link to that video too. If I can find the video link directly, I'll probably add it also to my video ka description. Now let's hear the exhaust of this Mojo. How does it sound? By the way, it doesn't have any DB colors. DB colors निकाले हुए हैं दोनों साइड से. DB colors निकाले हुए हैं. तो let me start the bike. इस बाइक को actually start करने के लिए you need to hold the clutch too. This is the sound at idling RPM. Idling RPM is around at 1500 RPM. And this is how it rolls. And while it rolls, the engine is so silent. Even when the bike is idle, it is not vibrating. This is that good engine, man. This is that good engine. One part which I forgot to tell you, it has also got a radiator guard and this is from Luvia. I'm not sure how it mounts, probably ऊपर दो bolts होते हैं इसके, उसमें से net पूरा mount होता है, ये grill पूरा या फिर radiator guard पूरा mount होता है. And with that I would like to take a leave from you. Thanks for watching. This is Dipen from Pune. See you until another video from me.
If I saw another day, only to scream into the night. Nothing ever tries to change, even if I want to read.